virtual lab integration of coastal ocean observations along Europe is focused on the providing of 3 thematic services for the users. One thematic service related to transboundary processes and connectivity, second one dedicated to extreme events, and the third one dedicated to ocean climate.
Making ocean observations, and Blue Cloud is making the observations have an extra life. The value really increases once you can use these observations in a context, use other observations and create knowledge. And this is exactly what the virtual research environment of Blue Cloud is enabling us to do.
This is a very important source of biological data for the high seas in particular. And we use the data reported by fisheries to make a global atlas which describes the abundance, the efforts deployed by fishermen to catch these species worldwide. But in the future, we are currently thinking about new channels to display the very same data in other infrastructure. So it might be a digital twin of the ocean or GBIF or whatever infrastructure is interested or relevant for this kind of data. We think our work is generic enough to be applied to new species, to new fisheries, so that the demonstrators we run now with the global records of stocks and fisheries and the global tuna atlas can be customized to target new species and new fisheries and to become really a global fisheries atlas.
So that offer is very broad, from catalog that help discover data sources and available algorithms, the computing capacities, the collaboration tools, yes, the training environments. However, that when participating to these meetings and hearing the type of reactions of different ESEB members, for example, and my own opinion is that it lacks a bit of a very clear value proposition.
The importance of these thematic services that are being developed by Instituto Hidrográfico in Portugal, by SOCIB in Spain, and by IEEE in France, is to provide the users a platform where the interested users, like members of the research community, like Blue Economy actors or others, can identify for a given area, for a given time period of interest, what data, what observations or complementary data are available for their area of interest and for their time period of interest, and then to manipulate this data using a number of tools that are being provided inside the virtual research environment. This virtual lab is included in the Blue Cloud virtual research environment, and so uses the full extent of the capacities that these environments can provide in developing this kind of product and these kind of services.